everyone, welcome back to my channel Digitrits. I know it's been a while since I just sat down and made a video, but here I am. It's been a hectic few days and it's going to be a hectic few days again too. But today I am here to share with all of you
what's in my bag.
Work edition. So I thought I'll just quickly share all of that with you because I'm going to be traveling again. So I'm going to convert this into a travel bag and carry my work along with me. So without waiting any further, let's get right into it. This is the Zouk Carry All Work bag and it's actually handcrafted, which just makes it even more special. I like prints which are going on it. It's so Indianized and it can go with like all outfits, like be it Western or Indian as well. So now let's get into my work bag actually. This is the front major zipper and there's one side zipper here. Oh, let's just start with the smallest one, right? I have my house keys in here, my earphones. I really love listening to music, so I cannot go without my earphones at all. Like, I feel sad when this dies out of battery or charge. I think, okay, I have some gum. That's it. That's all that's in the back zipper. I will leave a close-up shot of how it looks like on the inside so you can see it, so I don't like drop everything over here. But there are two pockets on this side and it's just so perfect for me because I have two phones, one personal phone and a work phone. So it's easier for me to just keep both the phones. That's what's in the pocket. And there's actually an inner zipper on this side over here. Here I just have all of my charger cables because everything is digital right now, so it's messed up and it's tangled like crazy. Comment down below if you're like me. It's like all over the place. So again, this is the Apple Watch charger. Then I have the headphones charger as well because you'll never know if I need to charge it. Then again, the phone charger. So I have all three of that. This is my notebook. I always carry it with me because I love to make lists and be organized. I need to make a list of everything that I need to do for the day and strike it off. It just makes me feel so happy and accomplished. Like if I do tasks all by itself and have not striked it off, I just feel like I did not accomplish anything today. So this is the book that I have. It's from Office itself. We get it in the stationery. I just have like a ton of things. And I have actually a small sipper for water. I don't drink a lot of water, like, let's be honest, and I've been trying to get better at it. I am that person who would just not drink enough water and just still be fine. But lately I've been realizing that it's been having a lot of effect on my health. So I'm like, I'm going to carry this. And I like to carry like cute little water bottles which motivates me to drink water. I know this is barely anything, but some sort of motivation. And I will come to this very shiny thing that's there. There is a highlighter. I like colorful things. I like to highlight so I know these are important tasks that I need to finish first. I have a hair clip because I have like really messy hair which can go all over the place, so I just have a hair clip just in case I need it. I have here my ID card, so I'm just going to keep that aside. Next thing, of course, in my bag are my glasses. These are not sunglasses. I'm not so cool. These are actually proper reading glasses that I carry because I'm spending a lot of time in front of the monitor, the laptop, my phones, etc. So it's just important for me to use reading glasses for it. And the most important thing, of course, you would have already seen my laptop in like so many videos, but this can easily fit a 14-inch laptop. Wait, it's all wow. So this is the laptop that I have, and now I'm here with the shiny bag. I have just some like very bare minimum stuff. I just have a scrunchie. I have a little bit of perfume, which again is ulta. I do have some backup earphones, the wired earphones to the go. So I am always having my music and my entertainment around me. And then I just have comb for my hair, a backup lipstick. You would know me and my backups are a very long story. Just office locker keys. And then I just have a charger and some tags and just this ID card. So that's pretty much all that I had in my bag. By the way, this is not my first Zouk bag. This is actually my second one. I gifted myself in 2022 after the COVID pandemic hit and we all had to come back to office. For my birthday, I gifted myself a Zouk bag. Let me just bring that over here very quickly. This is the bag that I gifted myself 2 years ago for my birthday. I love this. I love all of the colors that were going on. So I chose this particular print back then. It's a proper tote bag. It might look small on the video, but it's huge. Like it's very, very big. And I am a big fan of big bags because I overpack a lot. So I used to carry everything, all my masks, sanitizer, all back in the day. Of course, I use it for a lot of other things right now, but I honestly love it because it is so spacious and it doesn't weigh me down because I'm like carrying so many things. It's not like I'm hanging like this with my bag. It's properly spacious, and if you would actually notice, right, it will stay properly. Like when I'm like right now, there's nothing inside the bag and it's actually standing because there is this really nice grip and there's my ID card hanging behind and all of the mess that I've just taken out. But they have this really nice thing that just gives you that grip and it will easily stand. Like no tripping, your bag will not trip and fall. Like, oops, I'm sorry. No, that doesn't happen. It's just so cool, which I think like they've really thought through how they want to make this product for women. And especially me, I need like zillions of pockets to just organize everything inside my bag as well, because I've had bags with just one zip open and you dump everything and it's like a dustbin in there. Like I don't want that. So I feel like it's been very carefully crafted, keeping us in mind, and I love that about it. So you must be thinking why I picked Zouk for my birthday gift and not like a luxury bag. I wasn't so keen on buying any luxury bag for my birthday bag then, but I picked this because of course it was very travel friendly, it was work appropriate. I saw everybody carrying it, like everyone going to office had it. So I was like, I'll also hop onto the trend and get myself a Zouk bag. So that's what I did. So I'll leave the website link of Zouk in the description box below. You can check out. They have a ton of other prints and ton of other options. They have sling bags as well. And I'll leave their YouTube channel so you can check that out as well. But it's actually pretty affordable and totally worth the money. So you can gift it to your friends, your mother, your sisters, anybody. You can just gift it to them and they'll be so happy. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you all again soon. Bye.